Welcome to Bybit Exchange. Today we will be looking at the features and services the Bybit platform offers. To check and fund our account, click on your username, then My Assets. You can either deposit to your exchange wallet or buy using Visa, MasterCards, and other payment options. As you can see, I already have some USDT or Tether in my account. For this video we are going to trade on BTC USD coin margin contract, so we need BTC in order to trade. We can easily do this with the Asset Exchange feature. Click on Asset Exchange. Then you choose USDT to BTC. Enter the amount. Say 100, then get quotation. As you can see, convert fee is 0.1 USDT, which is very cheap. Then convert BTC. Confirm the conversion and it's converted. Perfect. Now let's go back to my asset page, and now we have 100 USD worth of BTC, so that's how you can convert assets from Bybit to trade on their different contracts. Before we begin on the trade section, it is important to understand derivatives exchanges. When compared to regular spot trading exchange, derivatives trading gives traders access to greater sums of capital, allowing them to leverage their position. In cryptocurrency markets, derivatives trading should be approached more carefully due to the high level of risk involved. With that, the exchange you choose should have the features and services that helps you mitigate your risks. Bybit Exchange offers perpetual contracts that allows traders to leverage their position for up to 100x leverage. You can choose to trade on their USDT perpetual or trade on their inverse perpetual. Now let's go to BTC USD coin margin perpetual contracts. Bybit's user interface is one of the best you can ask for. It have a smooth, simple, and clean customizable, well laid out UI that helps you feel ease when using the platform. See here, just drag around the interface that suits your view. As I do this, there is no lag and very smooth movement. Great, that looks better. Now let's see the different order types the Bybit platform offers. Standards order types like limit order, market orders, and conditional orders, as well as the order execution strategies, GTC, IOC, and FOK are all available. Advanced order types, where you can set a stop loss and take profit orders at the same time you open a position, is what makes Bybit order types better. Let's see how it works. Say we open a long position. Let's just use a market order. By the way, these are the fee structure on Bybit. As we can see, taker fees are 0.075%, or when you make a market order, and make a rebate of negative 0.025%. So you actually get paid when you do a limit order, as you are providing liquidity on the order book. Let's continue and open a long position. We go on market. To be safe, I'll go with isolated margin. This means that my position will only be affected by my initial margin on that position, whereas cross margin uses all your available balance to open a position, and it'll just go with 10x leverage. Again, if you're a beginner, I don't recommend using high leverages. Now enter the amount. Say I want 100 USD, and here's where we can easily set stop loss and take profit orders. Check the box and you can enter your orders. Say stop loss at 10,400 and a take profit at 11,000. Then click on buy/long. Confirm the order and our position will be shown on the position tab. You can also easily change your stop and take profit orders here. Another advanced order type is the trail stop order. I usually use this to take profit to capture an impulsive move. Great. You can also see your position and order overview on the chart. So this is our entry price, our stop loss, and take profit orders. Another feature on Bybit that is really cool is that you can actually trade on the chart itself. Unlike on other exchanges where the chart is just a representation of the price actions, Bybit chart is different. Let's see how it works. This arrow is to do a reverse position, where your position will be reversed. So let's do it. Click on reverse. And as you can see, our position was changed. You see it's now negative 100, meaning it's now a short position from a long of 100 position previously in just a single click. Awesome. You see this X here. This indicate to close a position. So let's do it. Click on X. As you can see, our position was closed. These are helpful if you want to execute trades quickly. You can also do a quick market order here. Say I want a long 500 USD. Just enter the amount and click on buy/long. After that, our position is now reflected on the position tab. Perfect. So those are the advanced order features that Bybit offers. In addition to stop loss to cut losses, Bybit offers another risk management tool called mutual insurance. How it works is that you can pay a premium to cover your losses and secure profits. Let's see how it works. Click on Buy Insurance and this window will pop out. Basically, this graph shows the compensation return if we buy an insurance. Now, say if we want to cover 100% of our position in a span of 12 hours and pay the premium of around 0.00042 BTC or around 4 USD. If the price drops from our entry price, we can use the insurance to cover for the loss by claiming on the insurance tab, and the maximum payoff is when we get liquidated. Meaning if we get liquidated, we will be compensated and refunded with the initial margin we lost. In this case, 50 USD will be refunded. How awesome is that? That's only the simplest thing you can do with mutual insurance. But you can also use it to secure profit. So let's buy the insurance, and as you can see, we are now fully insured. To put it simply, mutual insurance will compensate for your loss, or when your profit decreases, or when your profit flips into a loss. Wonderful. Another tool that comes in handy is their mobile app. You can trade anywhere with the Bybit app, available on iOS and Android. They also have a strategy alert feature that can notify you if a certain price condition is met, such as moving average, price levels, and more. And the most important thing is availability. So far in my year of trading on Bybit, I never experienced a server downtime or overloads, even on high market volatility. Unlike on other exchanges where overloads and server crashes happens during high volatility, where traders lost their funds due to being unable to manage their trades. Security is also top-notch. Bybit have never been hacked. Bybit processes your withdrawals 3 times a day, with no need for KYC to trade on their platform. Now, if you're a beginner, I recommend to check out their testnet, where you can test their features without losing your funds, and get more familiar with the platform and the concept of derivatives trading. So that's it. I hope you guys learned something, and you enjoys watching it. And please remember, leverage trading involved elevated risk and requires disciplined strategy. Bybit, the best crypto derivatives exchange, trading the world bit by bit.